Gorgeous craftsman style home west/open floor plan, lovely landscape in a peaceful, tranquil setting. Wood floors, no carpet, ceramic in wet areas, neutral colors, recessed lighting, crown molding, and granite countertops. Large kitchen west/island overlooking the living area, stainless steel appliances and large pantry. Isolated owner's suite west/tray ceiling, soaker tub west/separate shower, double vanity, and huge walk-in closet. Drop zone with storage located in garage entry. Beautiful view from covered back patio west/privacy fence. Madison City School District, and convenient to I-65, Redstone Arsenal Gate 7, public boat/ramp, TN River. Easy commute to hub of Madison and Huntsville, shops and dining.